Did you know that over 70% of accident investigations now rely on dashcam footage as critical evidence? In 2026, dashcams have become an essential driving companion, offering security, accountability, and peace of mind on every journey. However, choosing the right dashcam is not easy. Drivers must navigate confusing specs, varying prices, and concerns about long-term reliability. That's where this video comes in. Today, we reveal the top 5 best dashcams of 2026, highlighting models that stand out for video quality, smart connectivity, reliable storage, and overall performance, helping you make a confident, informed decision. And make sure to follow our links because they will take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and tips. So, without further delay, let's start the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Garmin Dashcam X31. If you're looking for a straightforward, set it and forget it device from a trusted brand, this is a solid entry point. The X3010's main draw is its simplicity and crisp 4K Ultra HD video quality. With a 140-degree field of view, it captures a wide perspective of the road ahead, picking up crucial details in both bright daylight and low light conditions. The compact design is another huge plus. It's virtually unnoticeable on your windshield, which is great for maintaining a clean aesthetic in your car. It also includes helpful driver alerts like forward collision and lane departure warnings, adding an extra layer of safety to your drive. In terms of real-world use, the Garmin X310 is incredibly user-friendly. It features a bright 2.44 inches LCD touchscreen for easy playback and settings adjustments on the fly. Voice controls available in multiple languages let you save videos or start and stop audio recording without taking your hands off the wheel. A standout feature is the built-in Garmin Clarity Polarizer, which does an excellent job of reducing windshield glare, ensuring that important details like license plates are clearly visible. The camera automatically records and saves video of any detected incidents, complete with GPS location, date, and time, giving you a complete record when you need it most. Now, let's talk value. The X310 offers great core functionality. But many of its advanced features like Live View and the Parking Guard feature that sends notifications to your phone are locked behind a paid Vault subscription. Without the subscription, you can only access saved clips via the online Vault when you're near the dashcam. This is a significant drawback for users who want full remote access without ongoing costs. So, while it's a reliable and compact 4K camera, the subscription model holds it back from ranking higher on our list. Which one would you pick so far? Let me know in the comments below. Coming in at number 4 is the Miofive S1 Ultra. The champion for those who want stunning 4K quality without breaking the bank. This dashcam proves that you don't have to compromise on resolution to get a great deal. It offers a dual camera setup capturing the road ahead in 4K with a 140-degree wide angle and the rear in 4K with a 112 degrees angle. The inclusion of HDR technology and enhanced super night vision ensures that your recordings are clear and reliable whether it's midday or midnight. The design is sleek and modern, and it's built to last, featuring an upgraded super capacitor that can withstand extreme temperatures from scorching summers to freezing winters. When it comes to performance, the Miofive S1 Ultra is packed with features that make life easier. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi allow you to connect the camera to your smartphone via the Miofive app. From there, you can view your recorded videos, access your vehicle's location, speed, and route, and even share your driving experiences in real time. The G sensor is a critical feature for incident recording. It detects sudden shocks or collisions and automatically locks the video file, preventing it from being overwritten by the loop recording function. For those who want round-clock protection, a 24-hour parking monitoring mode can be activated with an optional wiring kit. So, what's the verdict on value? The Miofive S1 Ultra delivers incredible bang for your buck. You're getting a dual 4K recording system with essential features like GPS, Wi-Fi, and a durable supercapacitor. The 18-month warranty and lifetime technical support add another layer of confidence to your purchase. The only minor cons are that the wiring kit for parking mode is sold separately and it may not have some of the more advanced AI features of our higher-ranked models. But for a dependable high-resolution dashcam on a budget, the Miofive S1 Ultra is an outstanding choice. Now we're getting into some seriously smart technology. At number 3, we have the Nextbase IQ, which is less of a dash cam and more of a guardian for your car. This is the world's first smart dash cam with 4G connectivity, and it is loaded with futuristic features. It records in ultimate 4K resolution for crystal clear footage of the road, but it also includes a 1440p infrared cabin cam to secure the inside of your vehicle. The always 4G connection means you can check your car's feed from anywhere in the world using the Nextbase IQ app, giving you unparalleled peace of mind. The Nextbase IQ truly shines in its real-life application of smart features. The SmartSense parking mode uses AI-powered proximity sensing to send you instant threat alerts if someone gets too close to your parked car, allowing you to intervene with a voice command or an alarm before an incident occurs. There's also witness mode, which you can activate with a simple voice command if you feel you're in danger. It will lock the footage and share a live view with a trusted contact. In the event of a serious accident where you're unresponsive, the emergency SOS response feature can automatically dispatch emergency services with your location and medical details. It's like having a personal security detail for your car. This level of innovation comes at a premium, and that's the main consideration here. The advanced features that rely on the 4G connection will likely require a subscription plan. For the everyday driver, some of these features might be more than they need. However, for those who want the absolute latest in-car security and connectivity, parents of teen drivers, owners of high V-value vehicles, or anyone who just wants total control and awareness, the Nex IQ offers incredible value. It's a glimpse into the future of dash cams. But wait until you see number 1. It might surprise you. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Vantrue N4 Pro. A powerhouse of a dash cam designed for those who want to see everything. This is the ultimate choice for 3-channel coverage, simultaneously monitoring the front, interior, and rear of your vehicle. The front camera, powered by the latest Viofo technology, delivers cinematic smooth 4K resolution, making it easy to read license plates day or night. The system records in a 4K 1080p and 1080p combination, offering comprehensive protection from fraudulent insurance claims, vandalism, or any other unexpected event. It's an ideal setup for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone who wants complete 360-degree surveillance. The Vantrue N4 Pro is not just about coverage. It's packed with high-performance features. Vantrue's exclusive Plate Pix technology combined with 4K HDR ensures excellent low-light performance and detail capturing moving vehicles without blur. You can control the dash cam with 12 different voice commands, allowing for hands-free operation. The buffered parking mode is a standout feature, saving the 10 seconds of footage before and 30 seconds after motion is detected, so you get the full story of any incident while your car is parked. With faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can easily access and share videos, while the built-in GPS embeds your route, location, and speed into the footage for additional evidence. When it comes to value for money, the Vantrue N4 Pro is a fantastic investment for comprehensive security. It's built with dual capacitors to withstand extreme temperatures and offers a reliable 18-month warranty. The main things to note are that the hardwire kit for parking mode and the suction cup mount are sold separately. However, given the exceptional 3-channel 4K recording, advanced features like buffered parking mode and Viofo technology, and the peace of mind that comes with total coverage, the N4 Pro is an incredible value and nearly took our top spot. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. Taking the number 1 spot as the best dashcam of 2025 is the Viofo A229 Pro. This dashcam is the total package, blending phenomenal image quality, top-tier components, and a user-friendly experience into one premium device. The A229 Pro is equipped with dual flagship Sony Viofo 2 image sensors, supporting a stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 2K for the rear. This combination delivers smooth cinematic quality footage that captures every detail with effortless clarity, day or night. The cutting-edge HDR technology further enhances the dynamic range, ensuring precise license plate recognition even in high-speed or challenging lighting scenarios. In daily use, the Viofo A229 Pro is a dream to operate. It features an ultra-precise quad-mode GPS logger that is compatible with 4 satellite systems, providing highly accurate location speed and timestamp data. The hands-free voice control allows you to manage the camera without distraction. And the faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection makes video previews and sharing on your mobile device seamless. The A229 Pro also offers 3 flexible parking modes, including a buffered function that records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after an event is detected, giving you a complete picture of what happened. To top it all off, it comes with a circular polarizing lens, CPL included, which significantly reduces glare and reflections for even better image quality. The Viofo A229 Pro represents the pinnacle of dashcam technology right now. It provides a professional-grade dual camera setup with the best image sensors on the market. Includes essential accessories like the CPL filter and is packed with reliable high-performance features. The only thing to remember is that a hardwire kit is needed for the parking modes and an SD card is not included. But for its uncompromising image quality, robust feature set, and overall reliability, the Viofo A229 Pro is our definitive #1 choice for the best dashcam in 2026.